Something special for Cincinnati Sheetz Freakz. Sheetz eyes blue ash. First big step into Cincinnati, the East Coast cult favorite convenience chain is planning to demolish a suburban office building at 4700 Ashwood Drive and replacing it with a 6,200 square foot food and fuel hub. The proposal includes 6 double-sided fuel dispensers and a drive-thru with touchscreen ordering, curbside pickup, delivery, and even an outdoor seating area for diners. Beloved by Sheetz Freakz, that's a wild name. The chain is known for its expansive, made-to-order menu, sandwiches, tacos, burgers, breakfast, coffees, smoothies, and more. For Blue Ash, the redevelopment not only introduces a $13.7 billion brand to Cincinnati doorstep, but it also clears out an aging office inventory left behind by post-COVID, making way for more modern and in-demand uses.